Welcome to Practice Easy English. Learn everyday action verbs with sentences. Smash. He smashed his phone in anger. She smashed the car window. Crumple. He crumpled the paper and threw it. Don't crumple my clean clothes. Crumble. The cookie crumbled in my hand. The old walls started to crumble. Squeeze. I squeezed the lemon to get the juice. Squeeze the tube to get some toothpaste out. Press. Press the button to turn it on. He pressed the shirt to remove wrinkles. Ring. Can you ring the bell, please? I rang the doorbell, but no one came. Crush. Be careful not to crush the bread in the bag. I crushed the can with my foot. Crash. The car crashed into the wall. I crashed my bike yesterday. Break. Be careful, or you'll break the glass. He broke his phone by dropping it. Crack. She cracked the egg into the bowl. I cracked my phone screen. Scratch. My cat scratched my arm. Don't scratch the table surface. Don't scratch the table surface. Tear. Don't tear the paper. She tore her jeans on the fence. Shatter. The glass shattered on the floor. Her words shattered my heart. Rip. He got so mad, he ripped the letter without reading it. She ripped the photo in half and walked off. Twist. He twisted the towel dry. Twist the cap to open the bottle. Fold. Fold the clothes neatly. He folded the paper in half. Punch. He punched the wall in anger. The boxer punched his opponent. Hit. I hit my head on the shelf. She hit the ball with a bat. Slam. Don't slam the door. He slammed his fist on the table. He slammed his fist on the table. Flatten. Use a roller to flatten the dough. The box was flattened under the car. Grind. Grind the coffee beans first. He grinds his teeth at night. Burst. The balloon burst suddenly. She burst into tears. Cut. Be careful not to cut your finger. I cut the paper with scissors. Pierce. The needle pierced my skin. She pierced her ears last week. Dent. I dented the car while parking. The can was dented on the side. Collapse. The building collapsed during the storm. He collapsed from tiredness. Squash. He squashed the bug. The elephant squashed the pumpkin. Pop. I popped the balloon by mistake. Pop the corn in the microwave. Peel. Peel the banana before eating it. I peeled some potatoes for dinner. Slice. I sliced the tomato for the sandwich. She sliced the bread thinly. Chop. I chopped the onions quickly. Chop the carrots into cubes. Grate. She grated some cheese on top. I need to grate the ginger.